What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So this is another amazing tool I just discovered, and I think it might be useful to some people out there. So with all the information we are consuming throughout the internet, it can be difficult to make sense of it all, and sometimes we get lost in the whole maze of information, and sometimes we are trying to find something very specific that we came across. And so this tool, which is called Recall or getrecall.ai, it's an interesting tool that proposes a kind of unique service. So they claim to self-organize your knowledge base so that you can have summaries and you can easily access content from everything you have gone through in the past. And so you can link all your news articles, your PDFs, your videos, your podcasts, your blog posts, and your Wikipedia into this tool, so that at any point in time you can just question it and it's going to give you back that information. So if there's any information I've ever come across, then it's going to be able to recall it for you, and it'll be like a memory for you, and you can easily access it. So bring order to content chaos. So share your content with peace of mind, accessible through the browser extension, web and mobile. And so save hours every day, get to the point faster, focus on what matters, instant summaries and chat. So as you can see, they have an extension that you can use to easily just find the information you have been seeking or you have been searching. So you can easily go through your YouTube videos to find maybe the information that you came across at some point in time. You can explore your podcast. You can equally question PDFs, equally your Google Docs and articles that you may have gone through, and equally recipes. And so they have a very definite list of things they are able to query and really get information that can help you to recall. So yeah, so always recall with augmented browsing. And so it's an interesting tool. It provides somewhat of a unique service. I guess for some people this has some use, but personally for me, I usually just bookmark the information I want to remember, and I think the browser is good enough to remember that. So, but I guess some people might be interested in this. I'm definitely not the target audience for this. So you are having things like instant summaries, augmented browsing, self-organizing knowledge, speed, repetition, automatic knowledge graph, secure, private, and always yours. So it's an interesting tool, and it definitely has, I guess, some use for some people. It's equally labeled product of the month. And so if we check out the pricing, let's just look at the pricing and how much it costs. So save time to accelerate your research. I mean, every tool out here is out to make some money. So there's always a pricing section. Once you're done with the homepage, you just go directly to the pricing section. And so there you have it. It does have a free plan, and it does cost just $7 a month if you want to make use of it. So, well, I'm definitely not the target audience, but I guess there is some value to it. So yeah, so definitely check it out at getrecall.ai, and let me know if this is something you might have some use for. So hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.